Very good morning to one and all. And first of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Okay. So today is our lecture for English. Our lecture is for English. Before I start, I would like to revise whatever we have seen in the previous lecture. Before I start, let us see what we did in the previous lecture. As you all know, parents, in the previous lecture, we saw everything about the vowels. Yes or no? Yes, we saw everything about the vowels. I showed you that there are 5 vowels. Okay, I showed you that there are 5 vowels. Yes or no? And the word family of the vowels. We also saw the families of the vowels. There are different word families of the vowels. Yes. And each vowels have their word family and the words which rhymes together. We also saw the rhyming words also. Yes or no? हमने देखा था previous lecture में. Everything about the vowels. There are 5 vowels and each vowels have their own word family and the words in the vowels are all rhyming words. Yes or no? We saw about the rhyming words also. So today what we are going to see, what we are going to learn, what we are going to see today, we are going to see everything about the consonant. Okay. So before I start, I would like to share the screen with you all. Wait a minute. So today we are going to see about the consonant. How the consonants and the blends of the consonant, that when we combine two consonants. Yes, hope you all are able to see the screen. Yes, parents. Yes. Wait. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so today we are going to see how to teach our children about the consonant blends. Yes, about the consonant blends. Before I start, I would like to ask if any of the parents know about concept. क्या किसी भी parents को consonant blends के बारे में पता है? Can any of the parents can give me the reply in the chat box? You know about the consonant blends? Yes? Any replies? Okay. Uh, okay, no problem. So, I'm going to show how to teach your child about the consonant blends. Okay. So, we know that there are 21 consonants in English letters. Yes or no? Yes. There are 21 consonants in English letters. Yes. Now, what are these blends? अब ये blends क्या है? How we are going to teach our child about this blend? Yes. Now see, as you know that vowels have their sound and even consonants have their own sound. Consonants के भी अपने अपने sounds होते हैं. Yes. Now what is the meaning of blend? Let me explain you what is blend. Now a simple example. In your house you have, see here I can show you. What can you see on the screen? आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? Can you see a blender over here? आपको blender दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes. And you can see so many letters over here. Yes, I'm getting the responses. Yes, yes. And you can see so many letters on the screen. Yes. All these are consonants. Can you see any vowels in this? आपको कोई भी vowels दिखाई दे रहा है इसके अंदर? No, we cannot see any vowels over here because these are all consonant. Yes. And what is blending blends? What is consonant blends? See, for example, if I say S, yes, I say S. Now, what is the sound for letter S? What is the sound for letter S? It is S. Yes or no? It is S. Yes. And the letter T. Now, what is the sound for letter T? It's Ch. Yes, it's Ch. When I combine both this letter, जब मैं इसको blend करती हूँ, combine करती हूँ, S and T, I bring these both letters together and I get a sound. When I combine these both letters, I get the sound of both the letters. मुझे दोनों letters के sound सुनाई देते हैं. St become st. देखिए, आप try करके देखिए. You combine both the letter S and T. Enter. When you combine these both two letters, you get a sound of st. आपको दोनों letters के sound भी सुनाई दे रहे हैं? Yes, yes. So this is known as blend. What it is known as? Blend. Yes. And if I take, see here, B and R. If I take B and R, both these letters are consonant. B भी consonant है and R is also a consonant, right? If I blend, if I combine both letters, अगर मैं ये दोनों को combine करती हूँ, what is the sound for letter B? It is B. What is the sound for letter B? It is B. Yes, and now what is the sound for letter R? What is the sound for letter R? It's R. It's R. Yes. Now, if I combine both these letters, when I combine both these letters, I get sound for both the letters. It is br. Yes or no? B and r becomes br. Yes. Now I got a blend of br. अभी मुझे क्या मिल गया? मुझे एक blend मिल गया. My blend is ready. For example, in a grinder, आपको मिल्क शेक बनाना है. ओके, यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर अ मिल्क शेक, मैंगो मिल्क शेक. व्हाट यू डू? यू कट अ मैंगो, आप ग्राइंडर में डालते हो. यस, आप मिल्क डालते हो. यू एड शुगर एंड यू blend it. Yes or no? Now what is ready? You get a mango milkshake. But to drink that mango milkshake, you get the taste of all the three ingredients जो आपने उसमें डाला था. Yes or no? You get the taste for mango also, you get the taste for milk and even sugar. So my mango milkshake is ready. Yes? In the same way, when we blend this all consonant together, जब हम two consonant या three consonant को blend करते हैं, एक साथ लाते हैं, we can hear the sound of all that letters. अगर मैंने टू लेटर्स को ब्लेंड किया है तो मुझे दोनों लेटर का साउंड सुनाई देगा. Yes or no? Yes. Now exactly what is blend? What is the definition for blend? Let us see. See here. When you teach your child, जब आप अपने child को teach करते हो, it is not so hard. Just the concept should be clear with them. See here on the screen, you can see what is blend. A blend is combination of two consonant. As I told you already, मैंने आपको already बताया है that two consonant S, T, S, L, जब हम उनको combine करते हैं, combination, yes or no, we bring them together. A blend is a combination of two consonants and each letter makes its own sound. जब हम इनको combine करते हैं, हमको both the letters का sound सुनाई देता है. St. When we say st, we can hear the sound for S and for T also. हमको दोनों letters का sound सुनाई देता है. If I say slur, if I say slur, S, L, the sound for letter S is S and the sound for letter L is L. Yes or no? The sound for letter S is S and the sound for letter L is L. Yes or no? And when I bring these both letters together, जब मैं इनको combine करती हूँ, when I bring these both letters together, I can hear the sound for both the letters. Yes, here you can hear both sound. Slur. Yes, I can hear the sound for both the letters, and that is slur. S and L. S and L. It becomes slur. Yes, now my blend is ready. Yes, now see, blends are not only at the beginning. आपको blend सिर्फ word के beginning में नहीं, you can see them anywhere at the end also. आपको वर्ड्स के एंड में भी ब्लेंड साउंड, you can hear the sound of blend at the beginning and at the end. So in this way you have to teach your child, you have to say that blend is the combination of two consonants. Here there are no vowels, in blends there are no vowels. In starting आपको सिर्फ consonant का blend सुनाई देता है, and when we combine we can hear the sound of both the letter. Yes, coming to the next. Yes. Now, see, I have combined two letters over here. Can you see on the screen? I have combined two letters over here. Yes, that is S and L. Yes. Which letters are these? Are they both consonant or vowel? What can you see? It is a consonant or vowel. Yes, parents? Please give me the reply. Is it a consonant or vowel? Yes, they both are consonant. Yes. And when I combine this both letters, जब मैं इनको combine करती हूँ, when I bring this both letters together, which blend I get? I get a blend of slur. Which blend I get? I get a blend of slur. Yes, thank you parents. Yes, these both are consonant blend, and we say these as consonant blends. Yes, they are consonant blend. Yes. So I get a consonant of slur. You can see s and l becomes slur. Yes, I got a consonant blend of slur. Yes. And here I have shown you some pictures. Yes. Now exactly what is consonant blend I explained you. मैंने आपको explain किया that when we combine this both consonant together, जब हम combine करते हैं two letters को, we get a sound. Now why it is necessary to teach our child? Yes, आप सोच रहे होंगे ना क्यों जरूरत है हमें teach करना. See, it is necessary because when your child goes in standard first, okay, so he should be confident to read the paragraphs and passages because now they are in senior. उनको कुछ words and sentences read करना है, but when they go in first standard ना, they have a big lessons where they have to read each sentences and paragraphs. So they should have that confidence of reading. So this blends and everything is very much necessary. In Hindi also you might have seen, Hindi में भी स्वर and व्यंजन होते, yes or no? And in व्यंजन we teach them, we also teach them that each letters, जब हम each letters को plus करते, for example k and l, when we combine k and l it becomes kal, yes or no? And one more example I'm giving, s b. Yes, जब हम स और ब को साथ में लाते हैं हमें कौन सा शब्द मिलता है? सब. Yes, in Hindi, in Marathi also we teach them two letters, three letters word. Yes or no? Yes. In the same way, in English also, this consonant blends are very much necessary so that your child is able to break and join the letters, and he can able to make the words. With help of words he can write sentences, so it will be much easier for your children to read words and sentences, and then they can read the paragraph, even they can read so many things. So here it is very much necessary to teach your child. And in English book you have seen कि हर एक word के साथ में एक picture होता है. Why there are pictures? So it will be very much easier to recognize our children. हमारे बच्चे pictures बहुत जल्दी recognize करते हैं. Yes or no? If we show them anything, yes mama this is ये इसका नाम ये है. Yes or no? So pictures are very much necessary. Whenever you're teaching any word to your child, see that the pictures, you can show them some pictures related to that word. Yes. Now here you can see some pictures. Yes. Now which picture is this? Yes. It is a slippers. Yes. It is a slippers. Now when I'm saying slippers, when I say slippers, can you hear any consonant sound over there? आपको कोई blend का sound सुनाई दिया? Slur. Which blend sound can you hear over here? That is slur. Yes, S-L, slur. You can hear a sound of slur. Yes, you can hear a sound of slur. Yes, you can hear a sound of slur. and the sound of slur is in the beginning of the word. आपको beginning में सुनाई दिया slur sound? Yes. Slur in slipper. You can see slur in slippers. Yes. You can see slur in slippers. Yes. Now, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, it is a slide. Yes. Now, when I say slide, can you hear a consonant blend over there? You have to ask your child कि आपने अभी slide बोला है. So, which blend can you hear? आपको कौन सा blend का sound सुनाई दे रहा है उसके अंदर? That is slur. Which blend sound can you hear? It is slur. Yes. SL word. SL blend. See, slur. Slur in slide. You can see slur in slide. Yes, we can see slur in slippers, slur in slide. Yes, now see here. You can also see this animal. It walks very slowly. Slow chalta hai. Yes or no? So here also we can hear a sound of slur. कौन से blend का sound सुनाई दे रहा है हम लोगों को यहाँ पे? It is slur. Yes, so we can see slur in slow. Yes or no? Yes, we can see slur in slow. Yes, slur as in slippers, slur as in slide, slur as in slow, and here you can see a man is getting slip. वो slip हो रहा है. Yes or no? Slip means घसड़ जाना. Yes or no? Yes. So can you hear a slur blending sound over here? आपको slur का sound सुनाई दे रहा है in the slip? Yes. Can you hear a sound of slur in slip? Yes. We can hear a slur sound in slip. Yes. Very good. That means everyone can hear a slur sound in slip. So with me again, everyone have to repeat with me. Everyone have to repeat with me. The sound for S is S. What is the sound for S? S. Yes. The sound for L is L. What is the sound for L? It is L. When we combine both this letter, we get a blend that is slur. Which blend we get? Slur. Yes, now let us see which words can be formed with blend SL. चलो हम देखते हैं कौन सा letters form होते हैं with help of SL word, SL blend. See, we can see slur in slippers. We can see slur in slippers. Yes, parents. Yes, we can see slur in slippers. Yes. Also, we can see slur in slow. Yes, we can also see slur in slow. Yes, and we also see slur in slip. Yes or no? We can also see slur in slip. We can hear the sound of slur. Yes or no? Can you hear the sound of slur? Yes? Yes, we can hear the sound of slur. And here, one more. The last is, yes, slide. Yes, we can hear a slur in slide. Slur in slide. In this way, you have to teach your child. You can show more pictures related to slur word. For example, slur in slope. Yes or no? Slur in sleeves. Yes, the sleeves of our shirts or kurtis. The sleeves. In this way, you can show more words with help of, yes, sound. Slur blend. You can show them. You can show the pictures. Let them recognize and ask them कि which blending sound can you hear here? आपको कौन सा blending sound सुनाई दे रहा है? Yes, recognize it. Circle it. Yes, and now say the blending. That is slur. Yes, now coming to the next. The next is stir blend. Which blend? Stir. Again, same. Yes, we can see, we can hear sleep. Yes, in sleep also there is slur. Very good. Now, stir. Stir. S and T, when we combine both this letter, we get a blend and that is stir. Now this is stir. St, st. When we combine both this letter, we get a blend of stir. Yes or no? We get a blend of stir. Here also. Yes, see, I have shown you some pictures. Yes, you also have to show some pictures to your children. And yes, see here. What can you see on the screen? This first one. What is this? Just say your child to recognize. It is a star. Yes, very good. It is a star. Now, when we say a star, which sound can you hear? Which blending sound can you hear? You have to ask your child. When we say a star, yes, we can hear a sound of star. We can hear a sound of star. And in the beginning, we can hear a sound of star at the beginning. Star, star, star. Star, star, star. Yes, very good. Now, can you see here? What can you see here? See here. Yes, it is a stop. Yes, it is a stop. Yes, when we say stop, which blending sound can we hear? Yes, we can hear a sound of stop. Yes, yes, there are many words related to ST. Yes, when we say stop, we can hear a stir in the beginning. Yes or no? You can hear a stir sound in the beginning. Stir, stir, stop, stir, stir, start. Yes, very good. I'm getting good responses from everyone. Very good. Yes, yes, very good. Even we can say strong. Stir, stir, strong. Yes. Now, can you see this picture? Yes, this is a feast. Now, what is the meaning of feast? When we close our, yes, palm, जब हम उसको, yes, we can also say strike. Yes, yes, good responses, parents. Now, when we close, see here, you can see, हमने मुट्ठी बंद कर लिया. Yes, this is known as a feast. Now, when we say feast, can we hear a stir sound? जब हम feast बोलते हैं, can we hear a stir sound? हमें stir का sound, blend sound सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you hear when you say a feast? Yes, we can hear a stir sound. But where? Where? Yes, at the end of the word. In the end of the word. As I told you that the blending can be in the beginning or at the end of the word. हम लोग को blending beginning में भी मिल सकता है. At the end of the word also we can see a blending sound. Yes. See here, you can see a stir blend at the end of the word. Yes, in fast also there is stir at the end. Yes, and stone. When we say stone, we can hear the sound of stir at the beginning. So in the feast, we can see the sound stir at the end. And here you can see a nest. When we say nest, we can hear a sound of stir at the end of the word. Yes or no? Yes, we can hear a stir sound at the end of the word. Very good. Wrist, I'm getting great responses from everyone. Very good. That means everyone have understood the concept. So in this way, you are going to teach your child that what is blend when we combine two consonant and we can hear the sound of both the letters. Yes, yes, very good. So this blend can be in the beginning of the letter. Yes, in rest, in first. Yes, we can see the stir sound at the end. Very good, good responses. So in this way, you have to teach your child, show them some related pictures, say them to read, recognize the word, read the word, and where can you find this blending sound in the and beginning or at the end, and which blending sound can you hear? Yes, in the last, in guess. Yes, very good, good responses. Now coming to the next. Now this was everything how to explain your child. Now in this way you can make some worksheet at home. See here, you can see I have made one worksheet. Yes, here draw some pictures related to the blend. Here I have drawn some pictures you can see on the screen related to SL and ST blend. You can see, yes. in this way, let your child recognize the picture. Say them to recognize the picture. Which blending sound can you hear? आपको कौन सा blending sound सुनाई दे रहा है? SL, ST, slur or stir? Which blending sound can you hear? See the first picture you can see. This is a slipper. Yes, when you say slipper, आप कौन सा blend use करते हो? It is SL. Yes, very good. Slur. SL. Yes. So in this way, you can say your child to, yes, recognize the picture, say the name of that picture, and when you say the name, what is the sound you can hear, which blending sound you can hear. Yes, now in the next picture you can see a slate. Yes, when I say a slate, again I can hear a sound for slur. Yes or no? When I say slate, I can hear a sound for slur. So it is a slate. Slur, slur, slate. Yes, very good. You can also say sleep. Yes, yes, very good. Here you can see a stone. When I say stone, which blending sound I can hear? Yes, stir. ST, stuff. Very good. So in this way, you can make worksheets and give to your child to practice. See, practice is very necessary for each and every one. Why? Because as they are going to practice, they are going to read the words, they are going to memorize it, and this will help your child to read sentences. So practice is very much necessary for our child. Coming to the next. Here also I have made one worksheet. See, look at the picture and circle the correct blend sound. So in this way you can draw some pictures, and here at downside, see, you can see here I have drawn pictures and here I have written some blending sound. The blending sound should be matching or not matching. Whether they are matching or not, just give some blending sound and say to recognize the picture. The first one is, yes, a stapler. Yes, when I say stapler, which blending sound can I hear? Yes, I can hear a sound for stir. Yes, very good. So in this way, you can say your child to recognize the picture, name the picture, and find the correct blending sound. Now here you can see a sledge. Over here I can see a sledge. Now, when I say sledge, which blending sound can I? Yes. When I say sledge, yes, SL sound. Yes, SL sound. I can hear a sound for SL. Very good. So in this way, you can make numbers of worksheet and give your child to practice at home. Yes. Now coming to the next. Here. See, I have given SL word in between. See, you can see. Yes. Now, what your child has to do? Now, I have taught you so many words related to SL. What you have to say your child कि अभी हमने SL से related so many words हमने देखा. So you have to write some words in the circle. Write a word that starts with a consonant blend in the center of the circle. So which is the consonant blend over here? It is a SL blend. Yes. So I have to write some words related to consonant blend. Yes. You can write over here sleep. Yes. We can write over here sleep. And what else? Yes. Even slide. Yes or no? You can hear? Yes. Slur, slur, slide. Yes. Slur, slur, slide. Wait a minute. Slur, slur, slide. In this way, I can also write here two more blends. So these are some activities which you can take at home with your child, that in, so you will come to know whether my child have understood or not. Yes. So these are some activities which you can take at home. Yes. I have written over here slur. You can give them stir word also. From stir word also they can make many words. Yes. Hope parents, you have all understood the concept of blend. If any of the parents have any query related the consonant blend, they can put in the chat box.